Hello friends, in this video we are going to create a data frame using list of dictionaries. That means data frame will be created by passing a list of dictionaries, a list having 2, 3 or more dictionaries. So the very first line that we write is import pandas as pd. Then the next line is create a dictionary key then value key and value separated by column. In the same manner, create second dictionary with key and value key and value. In the same manner, create third dictionary, name as the first key, value of this key, then second key as marks, value. This way we have created 3 dictionaries, dict2, dict3. Now we can create the data frame using data frame constructor and pass a list. Remember that the list values are enclosed inside square brackets. So inside a square bracket pass these dictionaries dict2, dict3. Now you can see this is a list of 3 dictionaries, dict1, dict3, and you can pass your own indexes that will define the row of the data frame. So the data frame, you can see the error, module pandas has no attribute data frame. This data frame constructor have the name data frame where D and F are capital. Now the data frame is created and you can see the column name is taken from the keys of each of the dictionary. Values are there, their corresponding values are assigned in each row, and the indexes are 1, 2, 3. The dict1 values will go in first row corresponding to 1 index, and dict2 values will be going in second row corresponding to 2 index, same as dict3 values will go in the third row corresponding to 3 index. So this way you have created a dictionary, you have created a data frame using list of dictionaries. Now what if any of these dictionaries have more key value pairs than others? You create data frame again and you can see the result that when we have created a data frame using a list of dictionaries and the third dictionary had 3 columns, 3 keys. So because the column names are being taken from the keys of the dictionary, so total number of columns we have 3, and in the third row that is corresponding to third dictionary the value of third dictionary will go Raman, 90 and Lanka. For other 2 dictionaries there is no key address, that means keys are not matching here. So in this column for Ram and Raman, that is for second and first rows, the addresses will be NaN. Let's again we should change and write another column in the first dictionary and again run all of these lines one by one, second line, third line, then 8, 9 and 10 line one by one, starting from here. First line, then this line, then this line, and this line, and finally DF. You can see that now we have total number of 4 columns. That means for those columns where key values are matching, the values goes to the column, and for the columns where there are no values, for example for city column or city key in dictionary 2 and dictionary 3 there are no keys, that is city, so the values for city column for these rows are NaN. Similarly for address column, the values for first and 2 dictionary are NaN, because first and 2 dictionary do not have these keys. So no matching, no value. This way we learn how to create a data frame using a list of dictionaries. Thank you.